How to recover deleted Instagram posts, stories, reels, and IGTV videos. Let's jump right into the steps. Open up Instagram and tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. First, going to recently deleted, tapping on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, then tap on your activity. Here, tap on recently deleted. So here, as you can see, you have no deleted contents. So go ahead and give it a try. Delete any post and delete any stories that you have uploaded. Just go ahead and delete them all. Now, again, repeating the steps of recently deleted, tap on 3 horizontal lines, then tap on your activity, tap on recently deleted. Here you can see the post and here you can see the story that I just deleted. To recover it, tap on 3 horizontal lines on the bottom right corner and then tap on restore. Tap on restore again. That is how you can restore story. In the same way, you can go to the post that you want to recover, tap on the post and then tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, tap on restore, tap on restore again. And that is how you can recover deleted Instagram posts, stories, reels, and IGTV videos. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.